The roycap bed vacuum is a remarkable device that combines cutting-edge technology with innovative features to ensure a cleaner and healthier sleep environment. With its built-in UVC sterilization, vibrating pad, powerful suction, and dual filtration system, it effectively removes dust mites, allergens, and other microscopic particles from your mattress. Not only does it sanitize your bed, but it also helps alleviate allergy symptoms. This user-friendly vacuum is designed for convenience, making it a must-have for those seeking a more hygienic and comfortable sleep experience. The roycap bed vacuum combines UVC sterilization, vibrating pad technology, powerful suction, and a dual filtration system to effectively clean and sanitize your mattress. It helps remove dust mites, allergens, and other microscopic particles, promoting better hygiene and potentially reducing allergy symptoms for a healthier sleep environment. Thanks for watching.